Hey everyone, I am Archit and you're watching Current Technology English. Please subscribe, like and share my channel so I will motivating technical video like this. So let's get started. Today we will continue our portfolio website series and portfolio with Python. So guys, we have completed our Streamlit setup. Now here we have to build our homepage. Without homepage, this is not a portfolio. This is not a portfolio. Streamlit is working. So we have to make our portfolio. So guys, for this we will firstly have to make two columns. Now you will ask what are columns? I don't know them. So the columns are those. Columns means you are dividing this page into, I will explain you like this. You are dividing this page into two pages. In the first page you have column 1 and in the second page you have column 2. So for this you have to write column 1. When I will do the practical, then you will automatically understand what are columns. Do the steps that I am doing. So column 1 and column 2. Then write columns 2. It means we are defining two columns and it will return our two columns. So column 1 and column 2 we will get them. Then we have to write with column 1. This means that with column 1 means that we can do it like this. We can add components like this. Title means the big font. Title is a component of Streamlit, and column means this is like this. We can do this thing like this, and this thing like this also. With column 1, st.title hello. We can do this thing like this and this thing like this also. Now I am gonna comment this one. Column 1 dot title hello. I will comment this because I don't want this one, because this code is much cleaner and better than this one. So I am gonna use this. So guys, you have to write here hi. Then let's try to place a logo. You press Windows plus dot. I don't know the shortcut for the Mac, but for the Windows you have to press Windows plus dot. Then you will see like this. In this interface you have to find hi logo. Hi. This one is good. Let's try this. Hi. And let's do one space. Now in the second column I want to place my image. So for that I'm gonna define one file known as constants.py. Here we will create assets. Here firstly let's import OS. Then let's write here assets dir is gonna be our slash assets slash. Then home asset. So os.path.join assets, not like this, assets dir comma. Now we have to join this home dot, I don't know the format of this. So this is png. So you have to write here home.png. You have to write the file name of your picture here, and this means that we are importing our operating system library. Then we are creating a variable known as asset dir, and this is my file folder of that where I have placed my assets. Then we have home asset. So for this asset we have this, and we just say that. So we have this assets dir, and we are just joining home.png with this code, and we can also join it like this also, but that we can also join it like this one, but this is not a good. We can also join this like this, but this is not a good practice. Now I will comment this because I want you to learn, not to afraid from these syntax. So like this. After this we have to import them here. So from constants constant what? My file name. Constants import star. Star means everything. We are importing everything from the constants. After that, we have to go with our column 2. Column 2. Now, first displaying a image, we have to follow this one. And home asset. Now let's see. Error in opening this one. Okay guys, we have this. So you have to just remove the slash at the starting. Now you will get like this. After this one, you have to make some spaces here. So for that, you have to write st.write blank space. Now this means we are gonna use one enter, and if we duplicate it 3 times, 4 times, then let's see. Okay, we don't save this, so we have to rerun now. Now we have at this point. After that, let's make it a bit more. Okay, now it's here at the center. After that, we have to place this like this. Okay, let's use subheaders. This is a smaller heading. Okay, like this. This is a bit small. I don't want it like this. Now let's see. Okay, this is our perfect font. So after that, you can write your introduction. Here in the st.title, you can write your introduction. I am just starting. I am Arush Dikshit. And here like this. Here you have to write like this. After that, you can write about here. st.write I am Arush. Here you have to write the about content. So now I have one idea for doing it. Let's say our about content is here, and you have to write it here triple quotes. Triple quotes allow you to use multiple lines. So I am Arush Dikshit. Okay, full stop. I am a YouTuber. Then let's see here. Let's go here. Then st.write. This is for writing the content. When we place the blank, then it means we have no content and it's skip that space. That's why we have enter kind of look. After that, we have to do it like this. About underscore content. Now let's go here and rerun this. Now guys, see, we get this. We get it. And we can also use markdown. Let's see. And let's place here /n. For enter, you have to place /n. Now we get /n also. And for the points, we have something like this. This is a special feature of markdown. So you can also write here markdown language that you write in the readme.md in the GitHub. If you want, I will also create a course on markdown. So after this, we have built our home page. Okay, and let's see. You have to write here about content. This is your header, then this is your height. So that's it guys, this is in the video. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching the video.